You're watching EDS TV. The red car didn't even really slow down. I see only one car at fault here, and that being the red one. I'm glad that the camera was safe, and honestly good job for calling it in. He yelled exactly as I would have. The driver panicked and swerved, lost control, and caused this crash that shut down the highway briefly. Good old Pacifica, California. It's a dumb place to run a light right next to a police station.
Oh my
Upon further
god!
review, the truck drifted out of its lane with no signal, as well as if he was changing lanes. Never ever stay beside a truck. My advice is either overtake it or stay behind. I would say everyone in this video got lucky. I'm glad that the camera changed lanes that exact time to avoid the debris hitting his vehicle. This truck was pulling a small wagon on the freeway in North Carolina going 70 miles per hour. It looked like the wagon was attached to a strap that was caught in the tailgate. Nice awareness on the camera's part. The driver may have looked and they just wanted over no matter what, but it's hard to tell. The truck driver was proceeding through the cut-through and got T-boned. The collision was really slow though, I'm sure it could have been avoided. Some road rage and definitely some stupidity at once by the four-wheeler. The four-wheeler wants to go at the gas station in front of the camera and to cut the camera off. Probably miscalculated the speed, low visibility, plus big and bad curb. Karma actually took care of itself. It seems that Pam Transport doesn't know how to use their mirrors. The car decides to cut off the truck and brake check him. The distance for a semi-truck to stop is far greater, so this is absolutely one of the most dangerous situations you could put yourself in. This came off a trailer on I-85 in Charlotte, North Carolina. It looks like someone's 4th of July celebration is over.
I ain't take no picture. Tryna do some shit, I got my son, I need a babysitter. Pull up on the bitch, she let me fuck, I do an A.
I have no idea why people are become more and more emboldened to commit stupid acts like this. I know this isn't in Texas because this would have had a much worse outcome. A much, much worse one. The heads-up driving may have saved this man's life. If he hadn't seen him approaching in his mirror and started doing evasive maneuvers prior to the crash, he could have easily hit the car head-on.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on usa-cams.com, you